Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about kinds of sentences. And in the previous classes, we learn about sentences. So let's just begin. The title of our chapter is Kinds of Sentences, right? Just work in pair and write your sentences about your country. You have to write at least 4 to 5 sentences over here about your country on your own. Now, in the previous chapter, you studied about the sentence. क्या होते हैं? Sentence is a group of words that makes it complete sense. And now in this chapter, we will study the kinds of sentences. You just read and understand. This house is very big. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Where do you live? Right. Just come here. मैं आपको यहाँ बुला रही हूँ. What a beautiful rose. Right. Now the first sentence gives us an information. हमें एक क्या बोलता है? Information. Second sentence, it basically asks a question. कि question पूछ रहा है. Third sentence, it gives us a command जिसको हम imperative sentence बोलते हैं. And fourth sentence express a sudden feeling of joy जिसको हम exclamatory sentence बोलते हैं. So the sentence are of 4 types, and of course they are, the first is the assertive sentences जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा normal होते हैं, simple होते हैं. Sentence that normally gives us an information, इसी को हम बोलते हैं assertive sentence. It can be positive, of course it can be negative, and it is also known as a statement, or you can say declarative sentence. जैसे Minnie plays a badminton every day. Minnie हर रोज बैडमिंटन खेलती है. This is a positive sentence. Whereas Minnie does not play badminton every day. This is a negative sentence, right? An assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. हमेशा full stop से end होता है. Moving on to the interrogative sentences जहाँ पे हम questions पूछते हैं. A sentence that asks a question इसको हम बोलते हैं interrogative sentence, और it is also called the question. जैसे what is your father? इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके पापा कौन है, आपके पापा क्या करते हैं. Do you love your country? क्या तुम अपनी country से प्यार करते हो? An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark, right? Imperative sentence में command होती है और request होती है. It gives us an order, a command, or of course an advice, a direction, instruction, or you can say request. इसी को हम बोलते हैं imperative sentence. जैसे please give me your book. अपनी book दे दीजिए. Just sit down. यहाँ पे बैठ जाइए. Imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. Moving on to the exclamatory sentences, यहाँ पे आप sudden express करते हैं अपने joy को, अपने sorrow को. A sentence which express some sudden feelings, or you can say emotions of joy, fear, surprise, pain, anger, pity, इसको हम बोलते हैं exclamatory sentence, right? Alas, the dog is no more. What a beautiful scene it is, right? I'm so happy to see you. May you live long, right? An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now a quick short recap. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. We all know sentences of 4 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative sentences, and of course the last one is the exclamatory sentence. Assertive or imperative always ends with a full stop, whereas interrogative ends with a question mark and exclamatory ends with an exclamation mark. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing the tick the correct option. So it is written over here that a sentence is of what? A sentence is of 4 types, right? Assertive sentence क्या होती है? एक assertive sentence is basically a statement, or you can say declarative sentence. दोनों हो सकते हैं, both. Imperative sentence जो होते हैं basically क्या होते हैं? Imperative sentence ends with what? Ends with a full stop. Exclamatory ends with an exclamation mark, right? Now what kind of sentence? Shivi cannot lift this box. आप देख सकते हैं ये normal sentence है. It's an assertive sentence. Did you come here yesterday? क्या आप यहाँ पे आए हैं? This is an interrogative. This is, and of course, an interrogative sentence. Right? He has lost all his wealth. Again, it's an assertive sentence. Right? Have you bought any apples? You are asking the questions. It's an interrogative. Right? May you live long. This is an exclamatory. Bring me your book. This is a command. It's an imperative sentence. So that was all about kind of sentences. Now one homework for you, that you all have to frame at least 10 sentences in each part. That is imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and assertive sentences. You have to frame at least 10 sentences on your own and just write down in your respective notebooks. And please keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.